In this class, let's discuss about the introduction of power system analysis. First, let's discuss about the components of a power system. The power system components are alternator, power transformer, transmission lines, substation transformer, distribution transformer, loads, and protective devices. The diagram represents the network of the power system. It's a generating station. The standard voltage of generation in India followed is 11 kV or 33 kV. The generated 11 kV voltage is stepped up to 130 kV and then it is transmitted, which is called a primary transmission. The primary transmitted voltage is stepped down to 33 kV in the step down substation and then it is transmitted for secondary transmission, which is 33 kV. The secondary transmitted voltage level is again stepped down to 11 kV. 11 kV is supplied for industrial consumers and 415 volt or 230 volt is supplied for domestic uses. What is single line diagram? It's a diagrammatic representation of a power system in which the components are represented by their symbols. It's a single line diagram of the power system which consists of 3 generators, 3 transformers, transmission line, generator G1, G2, G3, transformer T1, T2, T3. It's a bus. All components are connected through a single line. How to model the generator and synchronous motor? This is the model of a single phase generator. It's a single phase equivalent circuit of the generator, which is represented by the voltage source with internal impedance. Similarly, the synchronous motor single phase equivalent circuit is internal voltage with series impedance. How to model the transformer? This is the equivalent circuit model of the transformer. Magnetizing resistance, reactance of the transformer. R01 is the equivalent resistance, total equivalent resistance of the transformer as referred to primary. Total equivalent reactance of the transformer as referred to primary. K is the transformation ratio. We know transformation ratio is the ratio of secondary voltage to the primary voltage, or it can also be defined as secondary number of turns to primary number of turns, or which is the ratio of primary current to the secondary current. The total resistance of the transformer as referred to primary is primary resistance plus secondary resistance, which is equal to R1 plus the secondary reactance as referred to primary is R2 divided by K square. Similarly, the total equivalent reactance of the transformer X01 is the summation of primary reactance and the secondary reactance. The secondary reactance X2 can be substituted by X2 by K square. Here X2 by K square is secondary reactance as referred to primary. Next, how to model a transmission line? We know that the transmission line can be modeled using pi model or T model. Induction motor. We know that the equivalent circuit of the induction motor is similar to that of the transformer. We have discussed the equivalent circuit of the transformer. Similarly, the induction motor equivalent circuit is also the same. Here, this represents the load resistance. Equivalent resistance as referred to stator is given by R. Equivalent reactance as referred to stator is given by X. Thank you.